I'm Louis Petitjean, I'm 27 years old and I'm technical supervisor about facilities and I work also as a mechatronic engineer at Exotrail. I started back in 2019 as an intern when I was doing my scholarship from the engineering school IPSA. And since then I'm developing test benches for Exotrail growth. The day at Exotrail is quite intense actually. I'm working on several topics. I started by developing software interfaces to manipulate electronics and machine that we're using for tests in order for my colleagues to focus really on the test they are doing and not just manipulating knobs or writing down notes. So they have always new ideas about what we should do and what we could do, so new upgrades and capabilities about these softwares. On the other side, as I mentioned, there is the instrument themselves to work with and to develop. So here at Exotrail we have vacuum chambers, we have several kind of electronics to acquire signals and so on. So in Exotrail we develop our own thermal vacuum chamber. It's an important step to test our system in order to validate that they can handle a big change of temperature once in space. We now have the capabilities to produce several dozens of toasters a year. However, Exotrail is targeting a market with several hundreds of toasters a year. So this year is a year really of transition to create this new factory. So an important part of my work this year is about this topic. In my free time, I like to spend some time with my colleagues because I really like climbing and we have a nice room next to Exotrail to climb. So I spend 3 times a week with my colleagues there, and hopefully someday I will be able to do some competition. Another important mistake for me is the food. Food is really something, so I like to cook and to have nice food in my plate. Usually my colleagues envy me about that, but it's quite nice also to share some moments around that. Last but not least, I'm also dancing a bit of rock and roll, because it seems that I still have some energy to spend after Exotrail, so I spend it on the dance floor.